What's going on, guys? We're back for another day of Live, Laugh, LS. We're not laughing today, but we're gonna get a lot of work done, all right?
100%.
As you can see, this car's a little different from the last time you saw it. That's because we just got it back from our friends at Active Auto Body and Collision.
It's now got a fresh Freedom paint job. What was the inspiration for this?
This liver was for the 2000 DTM American Le Mans Series, if anyone knows, the M3 GTR.
But really, we wanted to make it look like America because we're putting a big old V8 in this bad boy. So now it looks like Freedom.
The one right there, you just pan out the camera, it's right there.
Yeah, it's right there.
The one.
We'll cut to the B-roll.
Yeah, boy.
The car looks a whole lot better now, but we've got to dial in the suspension. Now, this thing's already got coilovers on it, which is good, but it needs a couple of things just to get it really dialed in terms of a drift car. Now, we've already done the reinforcement plates for the subframe and the new bushings, which have helped a ton. So
Stiffened everything up.
this thing's already got coilovers, but we want something that's a little bit more refined for drifting. And that's why we actually sent an email to the guys at ST Suspensions, who have actually gotten us some brand new coilovers, some ST XTS coilovers, the plus 3s, which we're going to show you in just a sec. Gotten some custom spring rates on it because when we put an LS in this thing, especially an iron block, it's a little bit heavier, so we're going to have to better dampen the front end to get that grip up front and not have it feel like your grandma's Cadillac, especially since we're trying to dial it in right before Eurokracy. So shout out to the guys at Eurokracy. We hope to see you guys there. Let's get right into it, guys.
Okay.
Popping my cherry with ST Suspensions. Here it is, guys. We got ourselves the ST XTS Plus 3 coilovers from ST Suspensions. Ramon, we went a little overboard.
A little overboard.
Yeah, we did.
Basically went for on God mode right here.
The XTA kit is actually a really good comprehensive handling package on its own, but the Plus 3 kit is even better because you actually get the better top hats.
Okay, good.
Which I believe are similar to like a KW Club Sport top hat. So they're gonna give you the camber adjustment we need for the front.
Yeah, you gotta need that camber, you know?
We need the camber, But the cool thing about the Plus 3 guys is you can actually pick your spring rate and the color of your spring. That's not even all, that's not all. They will let you inscribe on the spring any kind of message that you want. Write in the comment what you think we went for and what you think we got written on these springs, these custom springs. And let's unbox this thing.
All right.
You wanna do the honors, Ramon?
Hell yeah.
Woo! Look at that.
Looks amazing.
Get a little bit.
Oh. This looks nice.
Care package on the way.
These guys are pretty cool all together. This thing's badass.
Wow. Like this?
You got your low speed compression damping right here. New end links, sir.
That links I don't use anymore.
Right.
I don't know why we're in the
Oh,
front.
then whatever. There's some new ones there. So let's do it. Let's take the wheels off and I guess we can start with the rear, right?
Sure.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine. Got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun?
The beautiful STs are installed and ready to go. So now
We're gonna make it to Eurokracy! Well, we still gotta put the wheels on and load the car up, but I think we're gonna make it.
Of course.
We're gonna catch up with Uncle Phil and those boys on the road soon.
Meow.
We're not gonna sleep tonight. Success. So after working all day, we get the car loaded up to prepare to drive all night. Uncle Phil and the boys get a head start on us, so we meet up with them just outside of Montreal. Oh, wow, whoa.
What's up?
How's it going, friends?
America hat on.
I'm just about freedom. I love freedom. Now that we're all back together, time to get some snacks to maintain peak thickness and get back on the road.
2 hours later.
We're here right now in Eurokracy, friends. Holy cow, day one. We're excited. Eurokracy 2022. Eurokracy was a vibe. If you want to see more of the action, be sure to check out our Burnout Pit video. That about wraps it up for our Eurokracy adventure. Next up on Live Laugh LS, we're going to rip the stock M52 motor out of this E46 and start fitting in our beautiful new LS. That's it for now, friends. See you all in the next episode of Live Laugh LS.
Enchanté.
We're not really set up because Uncle Phil's still sleeping. We're here on a very unhealthy diet of poutine, deep fried macaroni, burgers, McDonald's.
Finally,
Bam! Everybody, Uncle Phil's here.